Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag, and this one is Polybag 30251, and this is Winzar's, W-I-N-Z-A-R, Winzar's. For some reason I was thinking it was Winzar's Pack Patrol, and it says Legends of Chima. Is this related to, like, the Ninjago stuff? I don't know. Anyway, if y'all like this kind of video, the whole LEGO Polybag build-along, please think about subscribing and turning on notifications, because I plan on doing one of these a day for the foreseeable future. So, anyway, there's a large bone. Also, I have included links in the description. Let's see. I've included links in the description where you can find this set on Amazon and on Bricklink, as well as the brick set link if you just want information about this particular set. There's also a link to a Google spreadsheet that has Polybags past and future. So if you want to go back and take a look at some of the old ones and build along with those, or if you want to check out what's coming up, that's also down there in the description. That's a weird looking headpiece, isn't it? I don't know. So he's carrying a jewel, it looks like. So we'll give him his jewel that he's carrying. And let's put this, I don't know what it is exactly. Let's put this sled thing together. I don't know. I don't know what it is exactly supposed to be. Now, I really don't know where the bone comes in, but maybe it's like maybe the Legends of Chima are their own thing. They kind of look like the Ninjago stuff, but maybe it's not. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. It's kind of weird. Alright. So let's put this stuff together. So we got that, and like so, and then like so. This one doesn't look like it's really super challenging, if you know what I mean. And like, I don't feel like they really hurt themselves much coming up with a nifty design for this one. But I don't know. Maybe it'll be something cool, like a cool technique in the future, like that we haven't gotten to yet. But yeah, I'm not seeing it so far. All right. So this little piece goes right here, like so, and then we got this. And this. And so this goes over here. Alright, well, that's kind of neat, I guess. It's a good way to cover half of the hinge. I guess that's not too bad. It's not terrible. So this is going to be for the handle. We'll sort of jump ahead a little bit. And then I don't really know why the Legends of Chima are going to need brake lights, but maybe they need brake lights? I don't know. So we put the two cheese wedges on top of the brake lights, like so. We'll line them up so they're all even. Just because it's a weird thing driven by, I don't actually know what he is. Some kind of monster? Doesn't mean his brake lights and airfoil things shouldn't be straight. Alright. So this goes here. Like so. And this goes here facing forward. Like so. And then we add the super important bone. Alright. I don't exactly get the bone thing. So, but we got the bone. So that's that. So what we gotta do is we gotta put together this thing. So this has one of these going this way, and one of these going this way, like so. And then more little red lights, apparently. The other half of the hinge goes on top, like so. And then we have these two pieces that go in like this. They go in like this. I guess it's just easiest to just snap them in there. I tell you what, these pieces like this, they do not feel like they're up to the normal caliber of the material of other Lego pieces. And so we flip it over and it snaps in right here, like so. It's kind of a weird choice for where the hinge is. Okay. Now the last thing, we attach these to the bone. That is weird. That's kind of just a strange thing. I don't know exactly where the bone factors in, but anyway, I feel like the Legend of Chima might have missed me somewhere, but who knows. Alright, so we got like kind of a sled thing. We got the sled, and Winzar, the whatever he is, can drive it. Okay. These two are extra pieces. A cheese wedge and one of the little round red ones. So maybe y'all can help me in the comments. Is Legends of Chima like a Ninjago thing, or is it its own thing? It kind of looks like it's its own thing. I mean, it has the same feel as like it kind of gives. It reminds me of the Ninjago stuff, but maybe more animal-y. Cause like, look, there's like teeth on the ship. I don't know. It's kind of weird. Anyway. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.